Very good morning. After a long time, we are going for a ride. Woohoo! It's going to be 6 of us. So me, Rohit, Sanu, Kishore, Sai, and Panda Naresh. So it's going to be one Africa Twin, one Ducati, one 1250 GS, and 3 Interceptors. After so long time, we are going on a ride. So Sanu, that's our neighbor. He's riding for the first time. So I need to cut the vlog here, but I can't stop my excitement. We are heading out and we are going into the army area. I'll start when we get on the highway and when we reach everyone. Yeah. So like I said, Kishore, Panda, we have a special guest entry only till the breakfast ride. Shiva is joining us, Sai, Rohit, Sanu. So 6 bikes, 1 bike is going to go in between. So right now 7 of us, we will be going to our breakfast point, which is Vivera, which is 58 kilometers from here. So chalo, the ride has officially begun and we've got some subscribers. Hi. Chalo, time is 7:32. We are almost half an hour behind our time. We wanted to start from this place by 7 o'clock and seems like it we are quite late. And by the time we reach Pondi, actually our destination right now is Pondi, but it might change because we did not book any hotels as such. We can go to Pondi, Mahabalipuram, or we can stay back in Chennai as well. So it's still not decided because Sanu here needs to figure out how how far he can drive, because it's his first highway ride. So hopefully he can do it till Pondi. If we're going to do it till Pondi, it's going to take us more than 12 to 14 hours. So the reaching time will be close to 9 o'clock. So it's going to be a long day ride, but we are not doing anything tomorrow, the day after, and the day after that as well, because we're only going to chill in Pondi. It's actually a very sudden plan as such.
Oh boy, welcome back to True Brother Vlogs. It's me, Rohit here. I'm vlogging for the very first time today. We haven't come far actually. We have just finished our breakfast. It's about 9:45 in the morning, and we had multiple stops. So one for breakfast, one for fuel, one again we had another one for getting the pollution check certificate. So all those are done and we are off. We have come not much. I'll tell you exactly the distance we have covered so far. We have only covered 88 kilometers from our house. Boy, it's hot, yeah, it's freaking hot. What is the air temperature reading? It's 33 degrees Celsius. Oh boy, that's a lot of water. That's beautiful. Very beautiful. Wow. Isn't our country beautiful? Yeah, seriously. Yes, next we're going to stop for fuel because I have only about 50 kilometers left on the range. The low fuel warning light has already come. So yes, Andhra Pradesh, there is no alcohol which is allowed here, so people are stopping vehicles to check for booze. It's hot, it's extremely hot actually. We're going down towards Chennai. The only weather in Chennai, as all of us know, is hot, hotter and hottest, and it is tending towards that hottest now. Blistering heat, and we've just refueled fuel and all of us are ready to go. And oh boy, the petrol prices are expensive in Andhra Pradesh. They're 108 rupees a litre. And this baby, I did refuel her in the morning. It had fuel, of course, 200 kilometers. That's what we did now. And It gobbled up 1850 rupees worth of fuel. That's about 17 odd liters. Look at that. This is what we've been treated to for the last literally 100 kilometers. Like expanses of greenery all around. Oh, it's blissful. That little momentary, of the sun hiding behind the clouds. Oh my god, it feels blissful today. See clouds everywhere. So which only means it's gonna rain in some time. But that's in a way good news because we've been thrashed with extreme heat all the while. It's 1:30 now and we should shortly be stopping for lunch, and we've done about 340 kilometers. I have no idea how clear it is on the camera for you guys, but you can see lightning right there, like crazy amount of lightning, that too.
Look at my hands. Time is around 11. Gala bhi hai. Time is around 12:30 and we still
crossed 12:30.
Yeah, and we still haven't reached our hotel. So initially we thought of staying back in Chennai. Then we actually pushed forward and went to Mahabalipuram. Then we thought of staying back in Mahabalipuram. Then again we pushed forward and we came into Pondicherry. We're actually in Pondicherry. The hotel is actually 10 kilometers away. And Rohit is also so tired that he's pointing the camera elsewhere. So all of us are extremely tired.
10 kilometers and we're stuck in this rain. This is painful.
Yeah, it was pouring rain. So the showers were actually coming and going from from the afternoon. So yeah, 800 kilometers of ride in one day. Pretty good. I'm pretty normal, but Sanu there, it's his first ride ever, so he's doing it for the first time. So credits to him, yaar. Anyway, we will continue the vlog after we're heading back home. This is like insane. I just wanted to show
home
you.
Nahi, room.
Huh?
Home nahi, actually head to the room.
Room.
Because the camera is actually getting wet and it's pouring down here. Cats and dogs. So once we head to the room, we'll continue this vlog. We'll actually end it there. What's it?
Yeah, look at him. What's popping YouTube? Don't it? Idi bedtara.
It's 3 a.m. now, and we've been traveling since 6 a.m. yesterday. So that's a freaking long time. We were stuck 10 kilometers away from this place from 12:30 in the night, and we've just reached. And oh boy, we're tired. And me and Srijan wanted to edit this video and post it tomorrow. But Srijan, ready to edit now? Ready to edit?
Coffee pee raha hu sone ke liye. Stuck for more than 1.5 hours in the rain. We were in the petrol station, sitting there without any current for like 1.5 hours, and we slept there. Most of us actually slept there. And then the rain, you can hear the background noise, right? The rain is never stopped. And luckily, when it reduced, we slowly made a move and we came to the hotel. And after coming back here, there was no current. So we had
There's still no current.
Yeah, there's still no current. We had to lift all our panniers from ground floor to third floor. And time is 3 o'clock, as Rohit said. Now we are.
And you know what? My sock, it's got some color from the shoe. And oh boy, I am assuring you, my legs must be like some other new color. Oh boy, look at that. That's my natural color, and look at how. Seriously, that looks scary, right?
Disgusting.
Crazily drenched we were in the rain.
So
We need to rest, boys.
day 1 was an hectic day, so let's continue with day 2. Hey, Barry. Good morning. Say hi. Say hi. So time is what, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we got up 1 hour ago. We had a breakfast around 1 o'clock, and now apparently we are going for lunch. Yesterday night was super hectic, and outside the hotel and all, we could actually see from our balconies the destruction of what all happened because of yesterday's storm.
Peace.
We got up at 12:30 ish.
You woke up at 12:30.
Only you woke up at 12.
Okay, you woke up at 12:30 ish.
Okay, sorry, and
Yes,
we had
better be sorry.
Yeah.
we had a breakfast around 1 o'clock.
Panda!
At least I had my breakfast at 1.
Time is 1, Ray.
Time is 2, Ra.
Panda kiss.
And now we are heading out for lunch, and we are taking the 3 interceptors because it will be very
3
easy
sectors.
You and Panda gonna come.
on one bike.
Yeah.
Okay, no
Yes,
problem.
Sanu, huh?
Yeah, you and Sanu. We go.
Okay, because it's going to be easy for us to park. We are going to a local restaurant. What is the name of the place?
Market. No, Coromandel.
Coromandel.
Cafe.
So we're going to Coromandel Cafe. The storm has been passed, so hopefully there'll be no rain for the next 2-3 days. We're going to stay here. Sahara seats. Sahara seats. Sahara seats.
Coromandel Cafe.
Mandatory Indian seat check. Hello. Right.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. We'll have an chili saute wings,
Okay.
1 portion of whipped mozzarella dip, 1 margarita pizza, 1 beer battered fish and chips.
What's that?
Margarita, the best pizza of all, and it's yummy.
వేసుకో ఎవడొద్దన్నాడు నాకు వద్దన్నా నాకు ఫుడ్ వద్దన్నా ఇప్పుడు బాగుందా కొన్ని తాగుతావా అప్పుడే ఇంకోటి చెప్పు
Chi, how's the food?
I just had this.
2 hours.
I need to have that now. Yum. 1 American cheesecake, 1 will have the strawberry sponge cake.
Like it?